if you realize this is a fraction and contains variables, which is x. Now, the fact that we have a fraction with variables makes this particular expression algebraic fractions. Remember that algebraic fractions do not have the equal sign, because when we have equal sign in this question, it becomes an equation. So the method for solving this may not be the same as that of the equation. So we use a different method. Addition needs an LCM. So we'll draw the LCM line and then put the least common multiple, which is the LCM. How do we get the least common multiple? We multiply the denominators. And checking from the denominators, they are variables which are not like terms. So we have to what? Multiply them using the brackets. So we have the first denominator 1 plus x in the bracket, then the second one 1 minus x intact in the bracket. Then we will use the denominator to divide this part of the denominator, remaining or remainder 1 minus x. 1 minus x will go up there to multiply 2, making it 2 into bracket 1 minus x. Repeat the sign. You do the same thing with this denominator. 1 minus x will have to cancel or divide 1 minus x from this part of the denominator. Then it will remain or remainder 1 plus x, which will go to the numerator and multiply 3, making it 3 into bracket 1 plus x. 1 plus x. So we have this as our next step. Then we have to expand the one at the numerator and maintain the denominator. So in the next step, we'll maintain the denominator 1 plus x, 1 minus x. Then we expand the numerator. 2 times 1 is 2. Then 2 times minus x is minus 2x. The positive sign is there. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 times x is 3x. So we will have to find our like terms up here and group like terms. So we maintain our LCM, which is at the denominator level. Then we group like terms. We have 2 as a real number plus 3 also as a real number. We have minus 2x plus 3x. If we check, 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Then minus 2x plus 3x will give us plus x. Then the denominator will be 1 plus x, 1 minus x. You can leave your answer this way, or you can also remember from our difference of two squares approach. We realize that 1 plus x, 1 minus x is the final answer for a difference of 2 squared. So we can convert this by expansion into the denominator as 1 minus x squared, then the numerator 5 plus x. So this can also become our final answer.